How's it, guys? Sandy there. Carl is on top of the hill and Karin's on top of the hill. Another hot day today after a lot of raining. It's been raining like crazy. Yeah, but the rain is also good because of what I want to show you now. And I show you the benefits of planting on containers. Because on a container, if you know how to use the space, you can actually double your yield, double your crop, or plant 2 different or 3 different crops in a container and reap the benefits. Anyways, let me show you what I'm talking about. In this container, there's been sweet potato all along. Most videos that I showed you, you would see sweet potato. But as you can see, these shoots here, these are ginger shoots. There's been ginger tubers sitting underneath the soil while the sweet potato was on top doing its thing. They were dormant underneath there. Now with all the rains we're getting and the sun we're getting, the ginger has come out and the ginger is busy cooking, not only on this container here, but also in this container here. You can see here. I think it's this either turmeric or ginger, but I'm leaning more on a ginger side. But yeah, I could prove myself wrong because sometimes I don't document these things. I just do them as they come in my head, and then I just do them. But yeah, you can see there is sweet potato going on, and there is also ginger coming out and busy cooking underneath there. So we will be getting good ginger harvest out of this. There should be another one coming out somewhere along here because I'm sure there wasn't just one. Also on this small bucket here, you will see there should be a ginger coming out here. Though I don't see it yet, I see the sweet potatoes there, you see. But there should be a ginger here somewhere. Oh, there it is, there it is. It hasn't risen very much high up, but there it is, you see. So this is a thing that I do. This is a habit that I do. This is a habit of mine where I double up on my containers, exactly like you see on this one here. You will remember this video I made not so long ago. I harvested the potatoes and then I put in the yams or amadumbe, So amadumbe are busy sprouting, they're coming out, they've come out. And if you remember quite very well, on this bucket, with this potato plant that I did not kill, that I decided to put it back because the tuber that we had originally planted was still intact and I believe that it could still do some work. We put in the uncut amadumbe or yams. We put in the uncut one, here they are. And then on this other bucket here, we put in the cut one. So the ones that we sort of like sliced off only the eye that was sprouting, and then we put it. So because we want to see the difference of the ones that we chop off and the ones that we didn't, So but on this bucket it's only amadumbe there, and on this one it's amadumbe and the potatoes. And that's another experiment that we want to see how it's gonna work, how it's going to do, will it work, will it not, and all that, But yes, this is what I wanted to show you guys, that you can actually maximize your container space by putting 1 or 2, even 3 crops that that can work together, and they don't really require that much of a space. Let's see here. No sweet potato yet. See a lot of slug poop and snail poop there. Yeah, with the rains, everything is just growing like crazy. You know, I love this ginger. With the rains, everything, even the weeds are growing like super crazy. Look at that. Look at this thing, it doesn't even want to come out. It's even pulling my sweet potato out with it. Look at those tubers there. We're not going to harvest them yet. We'll leave them. We want them to grow as big as they can. We want the maximum of them. This bucket here should be about ready for harvest, because this was the first bucket that I put in here. And these potatoes here, they looking as though they are ready to leave. I can see they're starting to flower. Yes, they're flowering, so that means they are ready to be harvested. If I don't harvest them, the plant will go in a dying stage. It will start dying after flowering. The plant will go in a dying stage. You can see one there. It's gonna turn green, exposed like that. It should hide. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I thought I'd do a quick video and just show you this interesting phenomenon or idea of putting two different things in one container. Okay, and my neighbor is cutting his grass and the machines are like so noisy. I don't even know if you'll hear me. Okay, Sandile here. The girl is on top of the hill and Karin's on top of the hill. I thought let's do this quick video and share it with you guys. Yeah, otherwise please do not forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment on the videos. That's highly appreciated by me. I love it when you comment, I love it when you like it, I love it when you subscribe. Last I checked, we were sitting at 304. I'm sure we will reach 500 before the end of this year. Let's do this, guys. Let's keep pushing. Thank you very much to all of you that support this channel. You are highly appreciated. I'm out.